This is a 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, one of the rarest and most expensive classic cars on the planet. So today, we're attempting something insane. We're going to take this abandoned Gullwing and rebuild it into a showroom-level masterpiece. And if we can actually pull this off, this might be one of the most satisfying transformations you've ever seen. Let's get to work. This one is completely destroyed. Rust everywhere, broken glass, doesn't even run. So today, we're attempting something insane. We're going to take this abandoned Gullwing At this point, most people would give up on this car, but we're just getting started. What we're about to find under these panels will decide if this car is even worth saving. This is way worse than we expected. If the frame is gone, this entire project could fail. In the next few minutes, this completely destroyed metal is going to look brand new again. But here's the real question. Can something this destroyed actually come back to life? Because over the next few minutes, we're going to strip this entire car down, rebuild every damaged section, bring the engine back from nothing, and completely restore its iconic finish. Look at that, from rust to solid steel again. And we're not even halfway done. If this engine doesn't start, everything we've done so far means nothing. This is the moment. After all that work, it either comes back to life or it doesn't. Right now it still looks rough, but in a few minutes, this will look like $1 million car. This might be the most satisfying part, and you haven't even seen the best part yet. We didn't just rebuild it, now we're taking it back on the road. And if you remember how this started, it's almost impossible to believe this is the same car. There it is, that sound, after decades of silence. From completely abandoned to this.